Good morning, students. In SST, Chapter 11, Weather and Climate. Today, I will be teaching about factors influencing the climate. We have studied already about first point, distance from the equator, and second point, altitude. Today, let us understand about distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. The sea has a moderating influence on the region close to it. We know that water takes longer to heat and cool, and land takes less time to heat. Thus, ocean heat up and cool down slower than the land around them. Cool sea breeze keeps the coastal areas cooler in summer and warmer in winter than places far away from the sea. So now here we have to understand sea breeze and land breeze. Sea breeze from the seaside, daytime, during the day, the sea breeze moves towards the land. That is called the sea breeze. Sea to land area. And after that is one kind of the slow moving wind. Okay, so sea breeze and land breeze, these are slow moving wind. Okay, now the land breeze moves from land to sea. Okay, land to sea. It happens at night time. Okay, night. So we know that it is pleasant also. Sea breeze and land breeze, these are pleasant air or pleasant wind. A place near the sea will have a moderate climate, and extreme climate those who are far away from the sea. Now you have to understand moderate climate क्या है, extreme climate क्या है. A place near the sea will have a moderate climate. That means डे एंड नाइट का जो टेम्परेचर है ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं होता है. देयर विल बी नॉट मच डिफरेंस डे एंड नाइट टेम्परेचर. एंड एक्सट्रीम क्लाइमेट प्लेसेस विच आर far away from the sea, they experience very cold, and there will be the day and night temperature will be very different. The coastal areas of India experience less contrast in temperature, while in North India the difference in summer and winter temperature is very high. Extreme climate, example Delhi or North India, you know. Okay, North India, Haryana, Punjab, etc. Moderate climate, Chennai is neither very hot in summer nor very cold in winters. Now let us go to the another point, direction of the wind. The sea breeze, the wind blowing from the sea to the land carries moisture and brings rain to the coastal areas, and land breeze, the wind blowing from the land to the sea is cold and dry. Okay, now let us understand about the humidity. Humidity means the ardrata in Hindi. The amount of water vapor in the surrounding air. हवा में नमी की मात्रा, जो नमी रहती है ना थोड़ा ठंडा ठंडा, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द मॉइस्चर होता है, द वेपर, वाटर वेपर इन द सराउंडिंग एयर. कोस्टल एरियाज हैव मोर ह्यूमिडिटी एंड इट ब्रिंग्स रेन, बट places which are far from the coastal area, they experience cold areas, the snowfall can be there. Okay, thank you students.